As Victoria mentioned previously, Dior Builders took the initiative to reduce the use of natural gas in Healthy Home 2010. So you'll see here in the kitchen that we have a Miele induction cooktop instead of a gas cooktop. You'll also see a steam oven, which is the most advanced technology in cooking. The refrigerator is by Liebherr, and it is the greenest refrigerator in the world. They are one of the only manufacturers who have taken the initiative to eliminate the use of harmful chemicals and heavy metals. Colonial bronze is used throughout Healthy Home 2010, and it has an antimicrobial surface, so that bacteria cannot survive on the surface of the hardware.
Here in the kitchen, notice the amazing Cambria countertops. Right here on the island, you'll find a 4-inch mitered edge, and there's really no need for granite anymore. Cambria is made here in the USA within 500 miles of the project, and most importantly why Cambria was chosen for this project is that it's a non-porous surface and truly the healthiest countertop that could have been chosen. From our perspective here at Healthy Child, Healthy World, the nursery is the most important room in the house. This is where it all begins. There are so many design alternatives today to make a beautiful nursery. One of the things we did here was use an alternative wall covering, so there's no paint at all. This amazing wall cover is American clay. It's a plaster. It's clay and water. There's actually seashells as well that give it a luminescent glow. One really cool thing about this product, it was finished in the bathroom as well. One cool feature is the bathroom mirror will never fog up because the clay actually absorbs the moisture. We want babies to get off to a healthy start in life, and one of the simplest ways to do that is by purchasing an organic mattress. This mattress right here is Naturepedic. It's Green Guard certified, and so we know it's healthy and safe for babies. The crib is actually Q Collection Junior, a phenomenal company supporting environmental initiatives and prioritizing human health in all that they do. Inside the crib is organic bedding. So cute and perfectly safe. Again, that is by Q Collection Junior. The glider that I'm sitting on isn't new at all. It's a repurposed piece that was donated to the project, and we simply put a slip cover over it. It's wonderfully luxurious and completely organic. In the child's playroom, you'll find all sorts of fun wooden toys, throwbacks to times past, and no plastics at all.
I'm sitting on an ottoman by EL Environmental Language, which is upholstered in chrome-free leather. With Healthy Home 2010, we want to make sure that we're specifying materials that are not only safe for people, but safe for the planet. Now, standard leathers are typically tanned using chromium. Chromium can be recycled out of the water supply and reused. However, the chromium stays in the leather, which we then absorb through our skin during the use of the product. And at the end of the useful life, the leather is either put into a landfill where the chromium can leach into the soil, or it's incinerated where the chromium becomes an air pollutant. It's actually a carcinogen. So we want to take responsibility for the entire life cycle of the materials that we're using. Therefore, EL Environmental Language and Healthy Home 2010 only allow chromium-free leathers. At Healthy Home 2010, we have all organic mattresses by Naturepedic. Now, if this isn't an option for you, you can simply put an organic pad between you and your existing mattress. This is a much more economical option, and it will give you the same benefits. Indica Organics has provided all of the organic bedding for Healthy Home 2010. Something to keep in mind is at night when we sleep, we tend to perspire. And that's an open chamber for any toxins that are in standard sheets to come into our bodies. So one easy thing that we can do to make a healthier home is simply invest in organic bedding.
Welcome to the beautiful master suite. Jill, can you tell us a little bit about what we're going to see here today?
Sure, I'd be happy to. The first thing I have to mention is this exquisite 100% silk rug with vegetable dyes by Orly Chabahang.
Wow, look at that color.
Yeah, there's absolutely no compromise when you're using the vegetable dyes. The other thing that is exquisite in this room are the window treatments by Hartman and Forbes, which are also 100% natural and sustainably harvested. Along with that, again, we have the Indica organic bedding.
There are just a few things I want to point out in the expansive master bath. The first thing is the beautiful stone flooring. It's the only natural stone you'll find in Healthy Home 2010, and it was chosen because it is Green Guard certified. This room is truly fit for a princess. One of the most unique things about this room is the challenge that the Healthy Home 2010 team gave to the designers, and that was that nothing new could be put in the room as far as furniture goes. So what you see in this room behind me first is a mural. It is not painted on the wall and can actually be rolled up and taken away. In fact, it's a mural that's been used in 2 other show homes before this. It's all non-toxic, of course, but truly the significant fact is that it can be rolled up and taken away. The bed here is a reclaimed piece that was custom finished with the low VOC product, and the end tables that you see are antiques, more than 100-year-olds, some of the most sustainable things we can do. All other furniture in the room is antiques. We did let the custom bedding be brand new from Indica Organics, as the organic bedding is so important here.
A lot of people think that if you go green, it's automatically going to cost more. Well, one of the goals at Healthy Home 2010 was to have a beautiful blend of affordable things with high-end items that are sold to the trade only. And an example of that is here in the lower level bathroom. The vanity is actually an item that was purchased on auction for a few $100s and converted into a vanity by my workroom at Environmental Language, and is an absolutely stunning piece that's also very affordable. The top is by Cambria, and the beautiful embellished bronze sink was provided by Kohler. The mirror was included with the cost of the dresser, and we just embellished it with this Denise Siegel bronze tile in each corner. So you see, you can have green and luxury at an affordable price.
In building a healthy home, what you don't see is just as important as the things that you do see. Here in the mechanical room, you'll be able to see a few things. First and foremost is the insulation. Cotton denim, I can touch it, it's so nice. There was absolutely no fiberglass used in Healthy Home 2010. And beyond the insulation, then there was a formaldehyde-free Green Guard certified drywall. On top of that, of course, is the paint, which we spoke about before, which is all Benjamin Moore Natura. So the other things that you don't see are right here. The HVAC system in Healthy Home 2010 is, of course, extremely energy efficient, but more than that, two other components that really promote healthy indoor air quality is, one, the HEPA filter, which is a hospital-grade HEPA filter that captures 99.9% of all contaminants inside your home. And then there's the ERV, the Energy Recovery Ventilation System, better known as a fresh air exchanger, is constantly bringing fresh air into your home. Another amazing technology here in Healthy Home is the Eternal Hybrid tankless hot water heaters. This is really the latest and greatest in new technology. It actually has a 2-gallon reserve so that you don't have any cold water sandwich effect, which is really the problems with the old tankless hot water heaters. So this is 98% efficiency, on-demand hot water, truly an amazing accomplishment in technology.
I've been strongly rooted in sustainable design for over 10 years, but what makes this project so special is that it acknowledges that being energy efficient and environmentally responsible is no longer enough. Healthy Child, Healthy World has enlightened me, and hopefully you, to prioritize human health. The home that you just toured is indeed exceptional, but our work is to make sure that a home like this is not the exception, but the rule. May Healthy Home 2010 not just represent future possibilities, but our new responsibilities. Thank you for joining us.